Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is most merciful and the beneficent. Today I'm here to talk about the article which is based on the food and food for thought. It's all about the necessities of discussion and necessities of having thought and the ideas which came existence with regard of relevation and with regard of any psychological aspects which can be based on general of personality and social psychology, detailed nine separate studies here. So I'm going to tell you about that. Advanced research shows us why this matters. 2007 article in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology detailed nine separate studies on the impact of nutrition and willpower. In one set, researchers assigned tasks that did or didn't involve willpower and measure blood sugar levels before and after each task. Participants who exercised willpower showed a marked drop in the levels of glucose in the bloodstream. Subsequent studies showed the impact on performance when two groups completed one willpower related performance when two groups completed one performance related task and then did another. Between tasks, one group was given a glass of Kool-Aid lemonade sweetened with real sugar, and the other was given a placebo lemonade with Splenda, which can be called as Bisquill. The placebo group had roughly twice as many errors on the subsequent test as the sugar group. So the studies concluded that willpower is a mental muscle. That was the ending and very important point. The generalist and the researchers were agreed that the studied that willpower is a mental muscle that doesn't bounce back quickly. It's sort of a mental critique. It's sort of a mental power, and the very droplet, the very a question that was raised on the enigma of that time, that mental muscle that doesn't bounce back quickly. If you employ it for one task, there will be less power available for the next, unless you refuel. To do our best, we literally have to feed our minds, which gives new credence to the old saw. Food for thought, foods that elevate blood sugar evenly over long periods, like complex carbohydrates and proteins, and became the fuel of choice for high achievers. Literal proof that you are what you eat. Mean the food which we take is all about, it's all about the necessities of our willpower. It's all about the muscle and mental power that doesn't bounce back quickly, but it has a certain impact on our life and our shortcoming and about our wholesome work that we really doing in our shortcomings. So it was the end of my lecture, which was based on a article, General of Personality and Social Psychology, and nine separate studies on the impact of nutrition and willpower, and I have ended it with one important aspect. So thank you for listening me. I will join you another class inshallah.